Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just about to head out, and before I go I thought I would show you what I carry in my Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie. So yeah, I'm actually in a hurry, so I need to film this quickly. But yes, this is not what I always take with me. Sometimes there's less stuff and not usually more. This is kind of the maximum amount of things I put in here. So first things first, I have my phone, which is, by the way, iPhone X, and it fits there perfectly. Then I have this little pouch that comes with it, and I use this as a mini wallet or whatever. So I have like my cards here right now, and yeah, it came with a card case as well, but I never really take them with me at the same time because I don't need them both together. Then I have my passport. I usually don't take it with me, but I'm going to this shopping mall and they have this campaign or whatever going on where you can like find these coupons inside the shopping mall, and if you do, then you might get like a gift card or something, and in order to get that you need to have ID, so I'm taking it with me today. Then keys, of course, a lip gloss, some paper. I usually like to carry paper with me wherever I go, especially during winter time because it's so cold and I don't know, you might spill something, you might need a tissue or something, so I just like to carry some tissue or paper with me. And last thing that I have in here is my bus ticket or travel card or whatever, and yeah, I need this to get to the metro and stuff like that. That's all that I have in my Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie. Not lots of stuff, but pretty much all I need. So yeah, it's really nice, small handbag, and yeah, carries everything I need for most of the days. And yeah, ever since I bought it I have been using this almost every day, so I think that already explains how much I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.